Welcome to Best Turkish Recipe channel. Would you like to try baked potato? First, slice the peeled potatoes as many as you like. Then, take them in a deep bowl. And pour 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, sprinkle some black pepper, some thymes, some powdered red pepper, and then mix them with your hand as you see. Lay a baking paper on the tray and put the potatoes on it. Bake them 200 degrees heated oven for 30 minutes. It will be a very delicious recipe next to your special meals. Good appetite, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.